Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel where we dive deep into the stocks lighting up our scanners. Today, we're putting Celularity Inc., ticker CELU, under the microscope. This small cap biotech stock just triggered multiple powerful signals showing some significant movement that's worth our attention. Stick around as we break down why CELU is on our radar. Important disclaimer, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. Nothing in this video constitutes financial, investment, or trading advice. Always do your own research and consult a licensed financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Show CELU logo/chart. Let's talk about Celularity Inc., or CELU. This is a fascinating company operating in the cutting-edge healthcare and biotechnology sector. With a market cap of just $22 million, CELU is firmly in penny stock and small cap territory, meaning it can be highly volatile but also offers significant percentage gain potential. Celularity focuses on cellular and regenerative medicine, developing novel therapies to address aging-related diseases. They have structured their work across three key segments: cell therapy, degenerative disease, and biobanking. Looking at its recent price action, CELU has been quite a mover, posting an impressive plus 22.56% today, contributing to a plus 25.40% gain over the last 5 days, even though it's still down minus 15.47% over the last 30 days. This stock is currently trading 82.5% below its 52-week high of $4.03,500, but also 35.7% above its 52-week low of $5,600. Highlight today's price and volume on chart. So, with that context, why did CELU blast onto our screeners today? It's all about the confluence of price action and volume. That plus 22.56% daily surge wasn't just a whisper, it was a shout, backed by an explosion in trading activity. Today alone, CELU traded a massive 881,625 shares. Now compare that to its 30-day average volume of just 171,534 shares. That means CELU's relative volume today was an incredible 5.1 times above its average. This kind of volume surge, especially in a small cap, is often the fuel for significant moves. Show screenshots of strategy indicators if possible. This powerful combination of price and volume triggered 3 of our proprietary screening strategies. First, we have Batlama Onsesi, which translates to pre-breakout squeeze. This strategy looks for a stock that's been consolidating tightly. Think of it like a coiled spring. We see a low ADX, indicating a tight consolidation range, with the price now pushing above its 20-period exponential moving average, and volume starting to expand. For CELU, this suggests it was building pressure and is now attempting a significant upward breakout. Next, dip and gut top layer, or strength from the lows. This strategy identifies stocks that are showing resilience and accumulating power after a period of weakness. It confirms a low ADX consolidation, with the price comfortably above the EM at 1T, the relative strength index RSI above 50, and, critically, volume significantly above its 30-day average, which we just confirmed for CELU with the 5.1x relative volume. This tells us that buyers are stepping in with conviction. Finally, Ituzogi, or bear trap reversal. This is a classic setup where stock, previously under heavy selling pressure, suddenly reverses course, recovering above its EM at 1T with strong volume confirmation. For CELU, this implies that sellers who were pushing the price down might now be caught off guard as the stock moves higher, potentially fueling further short covering and upward momentum. Now, for signal confirmation, our system uses what we call the VWAP and EMA alignment gate. In simple terms, this means the stock's price is trading above its volume-weighted moving average, indicating that the average price where most shares traded today is below the current price, a bullish sign. Simultaneously, the trend strength, measured by ADX, is above 18, showing a developing trend, not just random noise. And the RSI is in a healthy momentum zone between 45 and 68, not overbought or oversold. This powerful combination acts as a filter to eliminate false breakouts, giving us higher conviction in the signal. Highlight levels on chart. Alright, let's talk about the actionable levels derived from our scanner. The scanner identified an entry signal price for CELU at 7,315 cents. To manage risk, a critical stop-loss level has been set at 7,278 cents. This is your insurance policy, designed to limit potential losses if the trade doesn't go as planned. On the upside, we have our take profit targets: T-point at 7,681 cents, TP2 at 8,047 cents, and TP3 at 8,412 cents. What's particularly compelling here is the risk-reward ratio, a remarkable one, 9.89. This means for every dollar of risk you take on this trade, the potential reward is nearly $10, making this an extremely attractive setup from a statistical standpoint, especially for a stock in this under -$5 penny stock range. Important disclaimer, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. Nothing in this video constitutes financial, investment, or trading advice. Always do your own research and consult a licensed financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Zoom in on recent candlesticks. Moving forward, with CELU, keep a close eye on the sustainability of this volume. Will it continue to outpace its 30-day average of 171,534 shares? Sustained high relative volume, particularly above 5.1x, could indicate continued institutional or significant retail interest. Also, watch for any company-specific news regarding their cell therapy or regenerative medicine developments that could act as a further catalyst. Remember, even with this recent bounce, CELU is still considerably below its 52-week high of $4.3,500, so there is potential ceiling but also continued volatility inherent in small-cap biotech. So that's our deep dive into Celularity Inc., CELU. A small-cap biotech with big aspirations in cellular medicine, showing significant technical strength and volume today, triggering multiple powerful signals. Remember, even with an attractive risk/reward of 9.89, trading these types of volatile penny stocks requires discipline and strict adherence to your trading plan. If you found this analysis helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more in-depth stock breakdowns, and drop your questions about CELU or any other stock in the comments below. Happy trading, and I'll see you in the next video.